Okay, we're back again. Man, oh man, that was close. I thought the storm was gone, but it seems to be just passing over us now. And that bolt of lightning, wow, that was close, man. My hair is even starting to stand on end. I can feel it. It's wicked. I just hope the bolt isn't that too close. That it strikes my truck or anything. Or worse yet, me. You see, oh man, that's ever wild. That noise you're hearing is my wipers on my truck. Oh, right next to me again, right there. Right over by the hospital. See the lights over there? Try not to get any rain on my lens here. It's hard. Whoa, shit. Nice roll of thunder. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, you can hear that one. I know that. These are going to start pouring again. You can hear the thunder. Here comes the big rain again. I'm going to turn my truck sideways to the wind. Just give me a second, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, the storm seems to be to the east, more to the east. Like towards Lewisburg and them places there. There's a couple of good shots that came here close to me, but I seem to be on the other side, down the edge of it.